Start walking with my lover boy. Naghangat na guys. We're starting walking, going there, down there, and I'm what you call that? Squatting.
Breathing heavy?
Yes. Even that far that we walk.
Steep slope.
Huh?
Steep slope.
Look at that. How far is it? We'll see. Until where? My gosh. It's quiet in here, guys. Relaxing.
Except for the siren here.
Yeah. It's relaxing in here. Look at that.
Let's see how many snakes we can find.
Uy! Scotting. Look at that. You know me, I like a simple, quiet place like this.
And snakes.
And I hope no snake. It's like this. Relaxing. No problems. But well, all of us have problems. In different way. Right? Madugay magyaw ning usaron kay naglakag ipalakaw. Ipalakaw na ako guys kay tanaw. Una ko nagdunggan nagdagan. Nangisda guys. Nangisda dari. Ang
Forgot
kumangisda.
my hat.
Huh?
Forgot my hat.
It's not.
It's in my head.
Tagan king nag-walking dari guys. We go in that side here.
Where?
Here.
Down that way?
Anyway. You're there anyway.
I'm not running through it.
I run. Right. We go on that side guys. They said I'm not scared.
I think it only goes around that pond.
No, they have straight in there.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. Remember we have video on it. I mean,
It's been how many years, sweetheart?
I know, but I know they have. Because that's going to the neighborhood. You know that?
If you say so.
We have somebody. I mean, a lot of people doing. I mean, they're fishing. My God, gihangat naman ko guys. Muna anad magkuan ba magbaktas. Can we do this one, baby, if we have time?
Do what?
Walking in our neighborhood or something. That's our, or maybe after work if we do, like 5 o'clock, you know. That's our routine every day.
Yeah, sure.
Even how many minutes or half hour, I mean. No, if we have time ba, because it's nice to us because we are getting younger.
Oh yeah.
Aray ka.
Younger and prettier.
I know. We're getting younger. We're getting 15 years old. Buwang na. It's quite quiet in here, guys. Kay giangat na si Sister Ed. Ako nang ibali. No. Mingaw kay dali, guys. Mingaw kayo. Wali. Wali na ang kuan. Murag ang mga langgam na lang nagtingog-tingog. Right, Scotting?
Sure.
Hmm?
No, never mind. You didn't see the movie.
You don't see movie that one I watched. Look at that, guys. The water is kanang a lot. You think they're here is they have a turtle,
No, I'm pretty sure they do.
but no crocodile in here.
Squirrel.
Oh yeah, it's quiet in here, guys. Daghan kayong para sugnod oh.
There's a oh.
Huh? Pagtarong da skating. Don't pinting snake.
No, I think it's an owl. Yeah, it's an owl.
Where?
Right here, come here. See him right up there? He'll turn. See, he turned his head.
Oh yeah, I see that. Oh, I think they don't.
I think
they
it's an
cannot-
owl, from what I can tell from here.
Yes, an owl be, but they said that they cannot see.
In the daytime,
In the
yes,
daytime, you
depending
can-
on what kind of owl it is.
Look at that, guys. Watch in here. Yeah, got
He's looking for
you.
mice, rabbits. That little squirrel that just went that way.
Hi. Hi. You don't see. She's snobby.
I can barely make it. It looks like I said. It looks like an owl.
Yeah, it's owl there. It is. So cutie. You know, first, that's the second time that I see in person. Remember in
there
the
he goes.
Philippines?
There he goes.
Where'd he go? I
He's
thought
in
they
this
don't see it.
He's right there. Well, yeah, I see it. I just
No,
can't make it.
I thought they said they don't see in the light.
Oh,
Oh, okay. No, guys. Quiet.
two butterflies.
Quiet and peaceful in here. But I know.
There's a black squirrel right there. No,
Black?
wait a minute. No, that's a weasel. That's not a
Weasel?
squirrel. Yeah,
What is whistle?
like a ferret.
Yeah, I see that.
He's right behind that log.
What the whistle? It look like a dog.
No, weasel looks like a elongated squirrel without a fuzzy tail.
Oh, that's why. I see that. Oh, we woke na.
We've seen an owl, a weasel, and a squirrel.
Yeah. We go
So
now.
far.
Continue.
Maybe we'll see some deer.
Huh? Oh, that one baby is poison ivy.
I don't
Oh, not really. That one is three leaves
These
together.
are three.
Mhm.
I'm not sure, but I'm not.
That here be. We go there.
You want to go down the path?
You think scary?
No. What's going to be scary about it?
Because maybe they have a dangerous snake.
We've only got really.
Huy, not in here, dear, because that did in.
We've only got like two really dangerous snakes: cottonmouth and copperhead.
Oh, that one is nice to go swimming.
We got timber rattlers down south, I know of, but
Because
other than that, that's the
it's
most
so
dangerous
bright
ones we got here.
in the south.
That I'm aware of.
No, we don't go there. Huh?
Minnows.
Minnows? Oh, wow. A lot of fish. Maybe they have a big fish in that way. That deep side, no?
Yeah, well, it all goes to the creek or to the pond over here.
Look at how nice the water is. Hello, guys. They have a bridge in here, guys. Bridge. Nice here, bridge, guys. Why do you have bridge in here, dear?
Just because it's a low spot.
Ah, okay. See that, guys? It's nice bridge. Here. Neighborhood in that side. See? And they have pond. Oh, no. Yeah. Them by the way. Go fishing. Do not mow, do not spray. Good, guys.
I didn't know they extended this all the way through here.
I don't have, but they have a big thing in there too. I don't know what is that. Kalayo na sa aming laktan, guys. Layo na kaayo. Hi. Oh, they have chair. You can go fishing in here, right?
Yeah, vacation.
Huh?
Yeah, go vacation.
Vacation.
that what you said? Or your vacation?
They have somebody. Oh, they have chair in there too. I mean bench.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want to go there too?